Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Telegram login problem on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are trying to open up Telegram and you get any problems opening the app up, there's a couple things you can do to resolve this problem. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is check your network connection. So if you come into your settings and from here, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the general section. Then go ahead and press onto that. Now, what you want to do first is make sure that you're not using a VPN. So if you scroll down on here, you can see VPN and device management. Press onto this and make sure you're not currently connected to a VPN. And sometimes when you're connected to a VPN, this can cause problems logging into the Telegram app. So if you've tried that and you're still experiencing the problem, the next thing you're going to want to check is that the app is up to date. So if you go ahead and open up the App Store on your iPhone and you want to go ahead and type Telegram into the search box and then search for Telegram on the App Store. So here is the Telegram Messenger, and what you want to do is press enter this to be taken to the app page. If there is an update available, this open button over here will say update. So make sure to update your Messenger to the latest version, as this will fix any bugs and will of course stop any problems logging into the app. So make sure that's up to date and then try and open up the Messenger. If that didn't work for you, the final thing to try is if you open up the settings app again on your device and you want to come back to the general section from here, you want to locate where it says iPhone storage and press onto here. Next, what you want to do is scroll through the apps until you find Telegram. Once you find Telegram, go ahead and press onto the app. And what you want to do is press the button here which says offload app. So what it does, it frees up storage by the app, but it does keep the documents and data. So don't worry, nothing's going to be deleted. Also, reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So if there's quite a bit of memory being used by the app, what you can do is offload the app to see if this fixes the problem. And at this point, you can also try reinstalling Telegram onto your iPhone, as by doing this, this can potentially fix any login problems also. So that's basically how you can fix Telegram login problem on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.